Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to attempt mini twists. So what better time for me to try out mini twist since we are all confined to our homes still during this lockdown. To style, I am going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. And then I'm also going to be using this Edge Control by Africa's Best. I honestly feel like I should have started this earlier, y'all, because this is definitely going to take me a while. I actually took a poll the other day on my Insta stories asking, would you guys rather see a regular twist out or mini twist? And more people voted for mini twist. So yeah, here we go. So I'm just going to start by sectioning off my hair. And so I am starting, it is like 4:30, y'all. So I'm going to have to let y'all know what time it is when I actually finish. So I do feel that this is a pretty small section. And I already added leave-in conditioner and also another moisturizer by Carol's Daughter. I'm going to link those two in the description bar below so y'all can know exactly what is already in my hair. And I already oiled my scalp as well. So my hair is a little bit dry right now. So I'm just going to be re-wetting the section before I add my product and actually start twisting. And this is actually one of my favorite twisting creams, but I haven't used it in a really long time. So, and to do the 2-strand twist, I'm just going to literally be taking 2 even sections and just twisting them as tightly as possible. And y'all, I'm definitely not worried about parts either in the back. I will try to part as neatly as I can in the front once I reach the front. But yeah, me and parting my hair is not something that I am the best at. So yeah. And as I reach the bottom of my twist, I'm just going to curl the twist around my finger and let the end just hang like this and move on to the next section. And you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled. As I said, I finger detangled my hair already, detangled it with a wide tooth comb. And after I do that, I like to go in with a brush and detangle again. I'm just getting product all over the place. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep them in just because my scalp is super dry. It gets extremely dry. So I will try to keep these in as long as I can before restyling. Oh my gosh, y'all, that one is smaller than this one. I think I'm gonna try to keep the majority of them this size. So I'm just going to be repeating that exact same process all throughout my head. And as I said, I am not parting the hair in any particular type of way, all in the back sections of my head. I really am not worried about parts being straight or not. Once I reach the top of my head, that is where I began doing straighter parts. And so what I did was put on my styler, and then right before I braided the section, I used a little bit of the edge control to make sure it was smooth and just make it look as neat as possible, since this is the part that people can really see. And I mainly focus the edge control right at the beginning of the twist, right at my scalp. So we are all done twisting, y'all. So I am going to, as always, let these dry overnight, and we'll show y'all my finished or final results tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day and my hair is dry for the most part. I still feel a little bit of dampness, just a teeny bit, but yeah, it is pretty much dry. I just let it dry overnight. I did not sit under the dryer or anything like that. I also did my edges off camera, so y'all are going to see them just a little bit laid. So yeah, let's see what these are looking like. I actually really like how they came out, and I also dusted my ends off camera as well. I just cut off some of the ends that were looking really straggly. After I twisted, I definitely saw some ends that weren't looking that way. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple of ways that you can style your twist, but I will be bringing a longer video showing a few cute styles for mini twists. And this one has been my favorite one so far. I have been loving rocking this super high bun, messy ponytail look. Let me know if y'all have tried mini twists before or plan on trying after watching this. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.